Hello guys, welcome to Easy Tech Academy. You are welcome. Alright, so today I want to do a review about this microscope stand. Okay, I really love this microscope stand a lot. I really love it. So today I want to show you the review about this microscope stand. So this is it, you can see it. Alright, so now let's go to the review. Okay, so keep watching. Alright. So alright, it is done. Now I want to show you under the 0.5 lens. Okay, so I will try to show you the distance and so the working space distance. So on 0.5. Okay, I really love this microscope stand, very stable, and I award it than any other stand. Okay, you can see on 0.5. Okay, so this is the clarity. All right, so that's on 0.5 lens. Okay, so let me show you the front. All right, so that for 0.5. Okay, I can see that you can see the distance to the ground, the front and the back. All right. So under the 0.5 lens with the microscope stand, so I want to show myself working under it. So under the 0.5 lens with the microscope stand, very beautiful, very beautiful. So I really love it. Okay, so that's me working under 0.5 lens, so with the stand. Okay, so you can move it to any of your conveniences. So you can move it, you can stress it anyhow you like. See, let me tell you, convenience in working is very important. Yes, it has effect in the work you are doing. So when you try to create conveniences in everything, okay, so this microscope stand creates a conveniences for you, so you can dress the microscope to your satisfaction. Okay, all right, so that's under 0.5. okay, all right, so now this under 0.7x lens. Okay, so with the microscope stand. All right, so that's f026 microscope stand under the 0.7x. so now this is the working space under the 0.7x. okay, that's beautiful. All right, so that's 0.7x, the distance. So I love this microscope and I share it than any I mean the stand, I share it than any other stand. Okay, so now that's the clarity under the 0.7x. okay, so that's the clarity. All right, so maybe you can compare it with 0.5x, so you can give me which one is very clear under the comment section. Okay, let me know your comment under it. So now let me show you the front of the microscope, okay, under the 0.7x. all right, so you can see that the microscope is lower than the 0.5x. okay, and that's beautiful. All right, so now this me under the 0.7x lens, so working under the 0.7x lens. Okay, all right, so that's it. So it's more lower than 0.5x, and that's beautiful. All right, so you can move the stand, so you can press it to any of your conveniences. So very good microscope stand, I mean. Okay, so guys, so that's the review about this stand. So it's the best. I can tell you boldly that this is the best stand. Okay, all right, so that's the review. All right, so alright guys, I hope you're enjoying the review of this microscope stand. Okay, so I want to see your reaction in the comment section. Alright, so if you are new to this channel, so try to subscribe or follow. Love you guys. See you in the next video. Bye for now.